To access TSB Bank email support, follow these steps. First, go to the TSB Bank website and click on the Contact Us section. Scroll down to the Get in Touch area and select the Email Us option. You will be presented with a list of email addresses for different departments such as general inquiries and account-specific queries. Choose the relevant email address that corresponds to your query. When composing your email, include your name and account details if applicable. Clearly state the purpose of your email and provide any relevant information that will help the support team to assist you. Make sure to check your email for spelling and grammar before sending it. Also, be cautious when sharing personal and financial information via email. Once you have sent your email, the TSB Bank support team will review your query and respond accordingly. Responses are usually provided within a few hours or the next working day. Remember to keep your email concise and to the point and avoid sending sensitive information. If you need urgent assistance, consider contacting the TSB Bank customer service team via phone. By following these steps, you can effectively use the TSB Bank email support service to resolve your queries and get the help you need. Always prioritize your account security when communicating with your bank via email.